we have to ask, who is actually paying the price? Now, follow the money. When uncertainty rises in the Middle East, oil markets react immediately. Traders anticipate disruption. Companies begin to secure supply early, and that creates a wave of panic buying. Prices go up, not only because of real shortages, but because of fear of future shortages. And in that process, major oil-producing regions, especially the Gulf Cooperation Council countries, benefit from higher oil prices. Higher oil prices mean higher revenues, even without increasing production. At the same time, conflict, or the threat of it, drives demand in another sector. Military spending increases. Orders are placed. Stock prices of major defense companies move. Companies like Lockheed Martin see increased attention from markets because in times like this, uncertainty itself becomes an economic driver. So if we step back and look at the full picture, Iran demonstrates resilience and strengthens internal unity. Gulf states benefit from elevated oil prices. The United States defense sector sees increased demand and rising valuations. But then we have to ask, who is actually paying the price? Higher energy costs affect everyday people. Inflation spreads across economies. And beyond economics, there are real human costs. Lives disrupted, lives lost, and families affected in ways that never make headlines. So, in the end, this is not just about geopolitics. It's about understanding how power works. Not just what is happening on the surface, but what is driving it underneath. Because when you begin to look beyond the headlines, you start to see the structure behind the story. And that clarity matters, so that you and I can navigate this uncertain world with a little more awareness and a little more perspective.